First, students will open up Keynote. Then they click the plus button and add a new presentation. I chose white because I find it the easiest to read. Then they can click this plus button in the lower left-hand corner and then add a blank slide. Students can then click the plus button in the upper right-hand corner and then click drawing. This will allow students to write with their finger. They can change which utensil they want to use down here on the bottom. They can change the color, and there's also an eraser for them to use. I'm just going to stick with basic black. If students were doing a 2-digit multiplication problem, they could write out 10 times 15. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 1 is 5. Carry the 0 down here. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. Add them together and I get 150. Then a student can press done in the upper right hand corner when they're done writing out what they need to. Students can then press on their drawing and click animate. They can add a build-in that's called line draw. Now this one's really cool because it'll show you step by step what the student did and you can see how they did their work. Once they've done that, you can click done. Then you can insert an audio recording. This is where students can explain exactly what they did. So they just hit record, then they would say 5 times 0 is 0, 5 times 1 is 5, carry the 0, then 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 1 is 1, you add them together and you get 150. Students can hit stop, they can preview their recording, then they would say they can edit their recording, so if they maybe talked too soon or didn't talk soon enough, they can shorten it. And then they can click insert in the upper right hand corner. Now they have an audio recording, and then that's a great formative assessment for you to see how they did their work and if they're really understanding what they're doing.